taking out the August lows seems absolutely terrible. And then I look at the August lows on August 5th of about 5,100, about 8% south of where we are right now. It doesn't sound so bad. What was it about August 5th that you wouldn't describe as capitulation?
You know, I think a lot of people looked at the VIX hit 65 at 8:30 in the morning. It was a calculation, right? No one actually traded VIX futures much above 40. So I think people really took comfort. Oh, we had this VIX hit 65, everything calmed down. There was never really panic in the futures market. There was never panic during the actual trading hours of the U.S. market. So I think people started reloading the boat and saying, oh, we're good. We've had this washout trade, we've had the capitulation. I don't think we've got that. And as we start nearing this, the NASDAQ 100 is already back close to those August lows. I think we push through this. We've got another maybe 10% downside. I don't think we get back to the March lows, but I think there is room for further downside.
You suggest there was no panic. I would suggest in Japan there was panic. The biggest one-day move since 87. At one point that morning, dollar yen had dropped down to about 140, 170. That was a 3% move. Are we suggesting for the global picture that was the tremor and not the earthquake?
Correct. I think really it's the U.S. market that matters, and the U.S. We watched what happened in Tokyo overnight. We got that little bit of panic in the morning. Futures were down, but it actually opened fairly stable, started turning around by the end of the day. Then the next day we rallied. It went probably further than I think we should have, but that was kind of obvious. But everyone just feels like, oh, we've washed out all the bad longs. This is all good. We can really rebuild from there. And I don't think we had that sort of a washout trade, and I don't think we can rally much further until we get that washout trade.